Hi, good afternoon. I just got my Beautylish lucky bag, or lucky box I guess, and I wanted to do a video on it. If you don't know what a lucky bag is, it's Beautylish's way of starting off a new year. It's a Japanese tradition. This is actually my first bag this year. It's a lucky bag 2018. It was $75, about $81, $82 after tax or after shipping. And they do it the day after Christmas, the 26th of December. And then they just got here this morning. So first off, you see the packaging. So it's the same packaging that they sent the email with. And it has brushes and it has like all little gods and goddesses. Like they describe what they do. So they have the little tag. I'm not going to read it because everybody reads it. But basically it says it's a lucky bag 2018 from Beautylish. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Everything comes in packaged in black, which I love because it's like a surprise. And this one is actually a surprise because usually when you order from Beautylish, you get, like if you order a Jeffree Star, you get the Jeffree Star wrapping. If you get Natasha Denona, you get the Natasha Denona wrapping. Like you get individualized wrapping on it. And it'll help lipstick on my teeth hopefully. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and open this package here. It's actually kind of, ooh, it's exciting. It's like a little present. So, let's see what this is. I do not want to drop it, so I'm going to put it back over here. Okay, cool. I got the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I love the, what is it? Oh, man. I had to drop my phone. The RCMA No Color Powder. So I'm excited to try this one. That's kind of cool. I'm assuming it's just one shade. Ooh, okay, so then I got the Jouer Skinny Dip and Saint Tropez, the full size, which is actually a really good thing because I actually love the little one. I have the little mini one somewhere in this mess. The little mini one that came in that set. So now I have the big sister. I'm excited. That's pretty. Oh, they have coconut oil. I didn't know that. That's why it's so moisturizing. Then I got, what's this? Ooh, let's see. Sorry, I'm making it suspenseful, but I'm trying not to. I love opening stuff. And it's new makeup. Oh, my kids are going to have a blast with this bubble stuff. What is this? Huh. It's a Smith & Colt nail polish. Yeah, it's a nail polish. It's called Dark Like Me. And I can only assume it's a nail polish. I mean, I don't know. I've never tried any of their stuff. Yeah, it's a nail polish. Ooh, I'm excited. It actually matches my lounge pants that I'm wearing right now. That's cool. Ooh. And a Charlotte Tilbury product. I don't own any of her stuff. So in this box they actually had the option of choosing light to medium or medium to dark complexions, and I chose the light to medium. But I don't think it would have mattered anyways. And I think that's why they did this, because they probably have like 2 shades of the Charlotte Tilbury one. It's a smoky eye. Oh, I don't like smoky eyes. But instant look in a palette. 5-minute On the Go palette. Oh, it's actually pretty. It's really pretty. It's a very neutral palette. Like this, these are for face. This is for like the cheek, and this is for eyes. Okay, I'm excited. Get to try that. It's so pretty. And I want to say that's it. Oh wait, no, there's something else. So you're supposed to get, it's $75, you're supposed to get a value of 150. So I don't know how much this adds up to. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, so I'll go into that in a second. Oh yes! Okay, so Wayne Goss brush. It's the Wayne Goss number 15 brush. It's the fan brush. I've been wanting this so much. Don't you? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love Wayne Goss brushes. I love them. And I haven't pulled the trigger on this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That is so, oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. You can't even, like, I know. I'm excited. Okay? Speechless, that's what it is. And I have this it's First Care Activating Mask by Sulwasu. I heard Stephanie Nicole talking about this. Ooh, mixed by. So I have to figure out this because I don't know what it does or anything. But I'm excited. I love sheet masks. I love them. I use one every single morning when I remember. Okay, so the thing I was looking at, like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I got the Jouer Powder Highlighter Trio. How cool is that? I mean, because I don't have enough highlights. I'm excited over this. I've never even seen this. Oh, I love their packaging. It's like so like glittery and perfect. And you see those? So I got rose quartz. Oh dear. I'm not going to open all of them because it's going to make a mess. But see those? This is the rose quartz. I got citrine and topaz. I'm excited. This looks so much fun. Okay, so at first I was worried about like, oh man, I'm going to get something I already have. But I don't have any of this. None. I'm so excited. Definitely doing it next year. And I think that's it. Yep. That's it. So that was my lucky bag box. So I'm excited about everything I got. So, I don't know. Did you guys get one? If so, let me know what you got. Alright. Thank you and have a great day. And I'll see you with my flat hair next time. Bye.